Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as you can see that Euro USD is not giving us a clear sign in which direction he wants to move. We can see that market is constantly forming dojis and spinning tops. And dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market. So right now, if you look at the Forex time frame, then you'll not get a complete picture, clear picture that in which direction you should be taking a trade. If you look at the chart of dollar DXY, then as expected, dollar took support around the FIBO level of 103.01, which is the 0.236 retracement level. Though market is going up, but you can see that the buying power is missing, because previously when DXY was bullish, just look at the size of the candles, and right now look at the size of the candles. Okay. Why did it happen? It happened because of the change in the market sentiment right after the speech of the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. So I am thinking, or I guess that there is a high chance that the upside that we see on the chart of DXY right now may not continue. DXY may struggle and we may get to see a sideways market or some downtrend for the next couple of days, because we can see that the buying power is missing. Today we have some news, so that news will also be very important, because that may bring some changes in the market structure. You can see here we have news on euro, we have news on GBP, and we also have news on US dollar. So my dear friends, be careful during the news time. So news may bring some volatility to the market, but as of now on the chart of DXY, we can see that dollar is struggling to go up. So let's wait and watch how the news shapes the direction of the market. And if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then obviously we do not have a clear picture. If you look at the overall structure of the market, then there is no doubt that the structure is bearish, means the sellers are dominating the market. After the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, Euro USD shows upside just like go. But the upside was not enough, but because market failed to form a higher high, market could not even cross the previous high. And you can see that right after this high, forming this high, market slowed down. Okay, so the market sentiment is still not very positive for Euro USD, and if the same sentiment continues, then there's a good chance that we may get to see some downside on the chart of Euro USD. But as the news is coming up, you should be careful and try to avoid Euro USD until and unless you get a clear picture regarding the direction. But if you are fully in love with Euro USD and you don't want to look at any other pair, then obviously 4 hours time frame is not the ideal time frame for you. Okay, you should be moving to a lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame or the 15 minutes time frame. But keep in mind, low time frame low reliability, high time frame high reliability. That's the thumb rule. Okay, so after switching to the 15 minutes time frame, we can see a clear sideways market. So as long as Euro USD is trading in this range here, you can trade accordingly. Means in this type of market, trading strategy is quite simple: buy at support, sell at resistance. During the news, do not try to buy at support, sell the resistance theory, because that will not work, because whenever fundamentals dominate the market, technicals will fail. And moreover, this level we have derived from the 15 minutes time frame, which is already not very reliable. Okay. So during the day, if you see that the volatility of the market is not changing, Euro USD is not showing much volatility, you can definitely expect market to bounce from the level of 1.0796 or 1.0800. If you see the market is taking support and trying to go up, you can go for a buy position. On the other hand, if you see the market is heading high and market reversing from 1.0830, you can take a sell. This is the simple strategy that you can follow on the chart of Euro USD right now, as long as market is trading inside the range here. But you must be very careful, because you can see that market has already tested the support level 3 times. Market has already tested the resistance level 4 times. Okay, so there is a high chance that something is cooking up and a big breakout may come very soon. So if you are comfortable with this strategy on the lower time frame, you can go for a buy at support, sell at resistance. But if you're not comfortable, then what you can do is you can simply draw lines like this and wait for the market to give you a breakout. Once you'll see the market is crossing this level, you can go for a buy at breakout. Or if you see the market is going down, breaking the level here, you can go for a sell. Okay, sell at breakdown. This is also a strategy that you can follow on the chart of Euro USD. So it depends on you, okay, whether you want to trade a breakout or you want to trade at the buy and support on the lower time frame. Okay. And we have news today, so there is a possibility that by the time of the news, we may get to see some volatility. And as we have already seen on the chart of DXY, that DXY, okay, though it is showing upside, but the upside is not very strong. So there is a good chance that if DXY surrenders and forms a big red candle, then obviously you will get an upside on the chart of Euro USD and you can take a buy position. Okay, again I'm repeating, you can try the 15 minutes strategy if the market remains within the range. But if you see the market is showing volatility, then obviously you should be taking a buy at breakout or sell at breakdown. Okay, so this is the only strategy that I can see on the chart of Euro USD right now, because market is trading inside a very narrow range. Again, I'm repeating that this market is forming dojis and spinning tops. Dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market. So please be careful, and mostly you need to be careful at the time of the news. You can go to any economy calendar, or if you're not aware of any other economy calendar, you can simply go to forexfactory.com as well. You will get the timing when the news is about to come out. So my dear friends, that's all from my side. Bye bye, take care. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so follow proper risk management. And I'm also a trader like you, so I can be wrong as well. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, capital protection should be your first priority. Do not gamble. Bye bye.